Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick case study for anyone who got an issue with the product attributes on the GMC. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Razan and I'm owner of a Google Partner company. And in case if you need help with Google Merchant Center, suspension, restoration, or Shopify or WordPress web development, or if you need help with Google Ads account, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's get back. And have you ever seen this kind of error like missing value age group, missing value gender, or missing value color, or any other error like this on your GMC account? You can get it sorted through this. So this is a kind of your GMC account, and you just have to move into your product section. And once you land in your product section, you can see over here that view what needs attention, and over here in the needs attention you may see have these errors. So I'm going to tell you how you can sort out these three errors of missing age group, gender, and color. So I'm going to pick up this product which has these three errors, so I'm going to sort these three errors as well. So what I'm going to do is, once I click, I'm going to move on to edit product over here, and in the edit product, if I scroll below, you can see that the product has three missing or invalid fields over here, so which we need it to be sorted out. The color is missing, so I can write over here the black color. I can verify it from in front of you as well. You can see over here the black color needed to be over here. For the gender, it's only for male, so I'm going to write over here. And on the age group, I'm going to select, and I'm going to select the adult over here. So if there are it's a multi gender product, you can use the unisex. If there is any material issue or any other attribute missing, you can simply select this one and add any attribute over here. So you can use this strategy to mention over here, and if it's an adult product, you can mention over here as well that this is an adult product. So you simply have to save over here after it's being done. So simply save over here. So now your product is successfully updated and the issue no longer appears in that. So you can use you can see over here that product is no longer now available. So you can use this formula to get your missing attributes sorted out. And just to let you know that we have been sorting out Google Merchant Center account for very long. So in case if you need help with Google Merchant Center complete restoration, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We just to let you know that I am an owner of a Google Partner company, and me and my team is doing this for years, and we are looking forward to working with you. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Bye bye.